Hey everyone! Today I'm doing the 140,000 mile oil change on my 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.6 liter V6. Let's walk through the whole process together, nice and easy. First, I'm checking the air filter. To remove the upper housing, we have 2 clamps to open and 1 hose clamp to loosen.
Okay.
And here's the new air filter going in. Make sure it sits correctly, as it is supposed to sit. Airtight, of course. Close 2 clamps and tighten the hose clamp.
Okay. Back.
This small hose doesn't need a clamp.
Seal. And then bring this one back together.
Looks nice and clean. Next, let's take a look at the oil filter. Carefully, with little to no force, we remove the filter housing with a 24mm socket here. Make sure to not stress this plastic. If it breaks, you are in a lot of trouble here. Checking the old filter before I replace it. We check for metal shavings in order to rule out engine failure. Now preparing the new oil filter with a new rubber or silicone seal. This oil filter is the old style 2011 to 2013. Make sure the valve is intact and not broken or missing or disintegrated. Replace if necessary. Carefully removing the old seal and installing the new seal. Now assembling the new filter. Alright, time to use the oil extractor and remove the old oil. Suck, suck, suck until it's nothing left. Here's the 5 liters of fresh full synthetic 5W20 oil going in. I don't know how this happens, but the oil canister is leaking. It has a hole. OMG.
Oh, man.
Putting the oil cap back on. Just a heads up, the new oil canister had a small leak, so I'm making sure everything stays clean. Closing the cap. And that's it, oil change complete. And there you have it, a clean and simple 140,000 mile oil change on the Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter. This DIY job can save you quite a bit of money compared to taking it to the dealer. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Jeep maintenance and DIY videos. Let me know in the comments what your current mileage is and whether you use an oil extractor too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.